Hello lovely people, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a certificate in Canva. Easy. So the first thing you have to do is to, oh my god, it's the first thing you should do. So on the Canva app, just click on the more here. Good. So once you click on more, my god, please do not disgrace me. So once you click on more, scroll down to the common layouts and sizes, and you would see certificate there. You can click on certificates. Once you've reached this step, I feel you should upload yourself. You are 50% done with the whole journey. Now the issue is to create or design your certificate appropriately. So well, it seems my network is acting up. So once the page is fully set, you would see a template by the side where you can customize the certificate to your choice and taste. So once you do that, you would, my god, I don't even know what to say now. Yes, this is what I've been waiting for. So you can scroll and choose a certificate of choice here, depending on what you want it to uh carry or your message. Now select, let's say is a football certificate. I can click on this, and then I would have my templates here. All I have to do here is to edit them to my specific taste. Let's say I do not like this guy, boom, I've changed him. Let's say I do not want this particular font, I can change him, and I can edit every other text here. And before you know it, in 5-10 minutes, you are as good as done with this certificate. So this is how to create a certificate on Canva. Thank you very much. And if you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments section, and I would see you in the next one. Also guys, if there's any video you've not seen on Canva that you would really love to see, please let me know in the comment section, and I promise I'll make them. Please do not send me ridiculous, because I've been seeing some funny. Please just, I'll attend to them. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.